How to trim videos in NanoBanana AI. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for NanoBanana AI and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to trim videos, in this interface, if you scroll down, here you can see the AI editor section. You have two different options, image to image and text to image. So NanoBanana is basically a natural language image editing platform. So it does not deal with any videos. It cannot process videos at all. You can only transform image to image and text to image. If you want to work with trimming the videos, you need to subscribe for the pro version. Only after that you can unlock other features. But for now, you can only work with image to image and text to image. So that's it. That's the only way to trim videos in NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.